Hey everybody, peak season is just around the corner. It's the perfect opportunity to delight new and returning customers that bring repeat business in the new year. But the busy holiday season also brings unfortunate truths. 1 out of every 10 packages arrive damaged, over 1.7 million packages get lost daily, and during the holidays, 80% of Americans fall victim to porch piracy. Unfortunately, these issues can sour the customer experience and also hurt your profit margins. But thankfully, Shippo Total Protection's got you covered. With Shippo's insurance, you get coverage for loss, damage, or stolen packages. So in the instance that something happens to your package, you get coverage for your order's total value, the shipping label cost, the return shipping label cost, and also the reshipping label cost. So you don't have to worry about covering any losses out of pocket. And with such low rates, you can insure a $10 package for pennies. That's literally a fraction of what you'd pay for versus having to pay completely out of pocket for your package that got lost, damaged, or stolen. And what's super nice is that you can file claims through an easy online portal, and you typically get reimbursed in 3 days so that you can get your money back quickly and keep your cash flow steady. Adding insurance on Shippo 2 is super simple. While creating a label, click Add Insurance and input the total value that you want to insure. Or to save time during the busy holiday season, you can automatically insure all your orders. All you have to do is head to your insurance settings and click on Automatically Insure All Orders, or you can choose to only insure orders that are above a specific value. So for instance, if you only want to cover orders that are above $100 in value, then the automatic insurance would only insure packages that meet that criteria. This is super nice, so you don't have to worry about having to add insurance package per package during the busy holiday season. With just a few clicks, you can secure your shipments and ship with peace of mind during the busy holidays. So cheers to successful and stress-free holiday shipping season. Bye y'all.